Good morning, children. You have already learned built-in functions and user-defined functions. Today we are going to discuss on the topic Python library. Your school library consists of several types of books. Similarly, Python library consists of several modules. A module is a file containing Python definition, function, variables, classes, etc. A module name is the file name with the .py extension. Modules make easier to reuse same code in more than one program. For example, in this picture has 3 units. Assume that each unit consists of 5 chapters. Suppose this is a Python library and each unit denotes as its module and its chapter denotes its functions and statements. How to import Python modules? There are 3 ways to import Python modules. Method 1, import module name command. It is used to import entire module. After importing math module, to access any one of the function in math module, you have to specify the name of the module and name of the function name separated by a dot operator. Here, sqrt is the function name, math is the module name. Method 2, from module name import function name. It is used to import selected objects. If you want to import a single object pi from the math module, you can write the name of the object pi after the keyword import. In this, do not use module name with the imported object. Method 3, from module name import star. It is used to import all the items from the. Next, how to import user-defined functions in Python library. Let's say we have a Python file called area.py which has a few functions in it for calculating the area of a circle, square, rectangle. Use these functions in some other programs, which is user created, not in the Python library. However, this program uses the standard math module for using py function that belongs to it. I quit this file and opened another file 1.py. Method 1, program to find the area of a circle, square and rectangle. First you import area module and call these functions with value 5 copied to the variable radius and execute area of a circle, square, rectangle. Method 2, program find to the area of a circle. So firstly import circle area function, then input your values 5, output is executed. From keyword allows use to specific function from the module. Method 3, import star gives access to all function in area module. In this, you can use all the function in area module directly. Output is executed. That is all for today.